Say hey. Get down there and give Avery Ellis a kiss. Give Avery Ellis a kiss. Go kiss Avery Ellis. Yeah. What about you? Fix your hair. Yeah. Silly boy. Silly boy. I can't see you. You're too close. You're too close. Go give Avery Ellis a kiss. Look, Greer's giving Avery Ellis a kiss. Uh-oh. Greer made Avery Ellis cry. Don't make her cry, Greer. Giving her a kiss. You are such a silly little guy. Yes. Uh-oh. What you trying to do, Davis? Don't hit the button. It'll make it go bye-bye. It'll make it go bye-bye. What? Go give Daddy a kiss. Go give Daddy a kiss. Greer, what are you trying to accomplish? Yeah. That's Avery Ellis's. Go give it to Avery Ellis. Okay, Greer wants the pappy. Okay, look. Here's the pappy. We'll give it to Avery Ellis. There we go. Yeah. Oh, you're going to take the pappy from her? Greer, don't hit her in the head. Love her. Make her stop crying. You gonna love her? No? Give her love. It's a good big sister. Let's see what your brother's doing. Look, he's giving Daddy love. Uh-oh. Okay, we better get Avery Ellis. We better get her. Yeah, she doesn't like tummy time. We're going to give her love, Davis. Oh, that's sweet, Davis. Pat her head. Yeah. Oh, that's sweet, Greer. Okay, guys, say bye-bye. 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 Give her love again. Okay. Bye-bye.